Welcome to this session. Today we are discussing on the different phases of photosynthesis. You know what is photosynthesis? So it's a remarkable property shown by green plants. The green plants are having the ability to capture the solar light energy and can convert the solar light energy into chemical energy, and by using that chemical energy they can reduce the green plants can reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, and the entire process is simply called photosynthesis, synthesis with the help of light. Green plants are synthesizing carbohydrate with the help of sunlight. Green plants are reducing carbon dioxide to carbohydrate by utilizing the energy available from the sunlight. That process is simply called photosynthesis. So it is a very complex process that happens in the chloroplast of leaves, and there are two different phases in photosynthesis. What are the two different phases? The first phase of photosynthesis is the photochemical phase, and the second phase of photosynthesis is the biochemical phase. The first phase of photosynthesis is the photochemical phase, and the second phase of photosynthesis is the biochemical phase. Okay, photochemical in the sense, photo means light, chemical means simply some chemical substances. That means in the first phase of photosynthesis, the green plants are capturing the solar light energy and converting that that light energy into chemical energy. Okay, and this is the first phase, and that first phase of photosynthesis is called light reaction. Why it is called light reaction? Because that first phase of photosynthesis can happen only in presence of light. Okay, because if there is sunlight, the green plants can absorb they capture that solar light energy and can convert that solar light energy into its chemical form. So that can happen only if the light is present, light is available. Okay, so this first phase is called light reaction. There is a photochemical phase of photosynthesis where the solar light energy get converted into chemical form of energy. And the second phase is called the biochemical phase. Biochemical phase means that second phase will include a sequence of biochemical reactions by which the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. Carbon dioxide is available in the outer atmosphere. That carbon dioxide will be entering into the leaves through the open stomata. Okay, and within the leaves, this carbon dioxide will enter into the chloroplast, where it is get converted into carbohydrate through a series of enzyme mediated biochemical reactions by utilizing the chemical energy that is available within the chloroplast because of light reaction. So light reaction is the first phase where chemical energy is being produced by absorbing the solar light. And so chemical energy is available after the light reaction within the chloroplast, and by utilizing that chemical energy in the second phase of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. That reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate is not a simple process, but it includes a series of biochemical reactions catalyzed by different enzymes. So this second phase is called biochemical phase, and this second phase is otherwise called dark reaction. In the sense, the light reaction can happen only in presence of light, but dark reaction can happen both in the presence and absence of light. Why it is called dark reaction? The first phase is called light reaction, so the second phase is called dark reaction, that only. Okay, so dark reaction is the light independent phase. Light is not essential for carrying out dark reaction, but the light reaction can happen only in presence of light, so it is light dependent phase. The first phase of photosynthesis is the photochemical phase, and it is the light dependent phase of photosynthesis where the solar light energy is captured by the chloroplast, the photosynthetic pigments in the chloroplast, and converting that solar light energy into chemical energy. And in the second phase of photosynthesis, by utilizing this chemical energy which is produced as a result of light reaction, carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate through a series of enzyme mediated biochemical reactions. So the second phase is called biochemical phase. Since it is a light independent phase of photosynthesis, it is called dark reaction. So these are the two different phases of photosynthesis: the photochemical phase, that is the light reaction, and biochemical phase, that is the dark reaction. Okay, thank you.